question we get asked a lot: can you drive without an MOT? The short answer is no, even if it only expired yesterday. But there is one circumstance where it can be legal. You can legally drive without an MOT if you're driving directly to a pre-booked MOT test or a pre-booked repair appointment following a failed MOT. The journey must be direct with no stops or detours, and you must be able to prove that it is a pre-booked appointment, including having your name and car registration on the confirmation. And don't forget to stay up to date on all things tyres and servicing. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Simply intending to book an MOT or driving a short distance does not count, and insurance does not override MOT law. If you are stopped and you cannot prove you're on your way to a pre-booked appointment, then you can face a fine of up to £1,000. Even when driving to your MOT, the car should still be roadworthy. So if it's had any serious faults, it should be recovered and not driven. To find out more, head to edentyres.com.